Again, a simple yet tasty Dutch pastry, Appelflappen. Crispy on the outside and a nice fruit filling on the inside. I kept it quite simple with just 5 ingredients, but they blend well together. I use slices of puff pastry, apples, cinnamon, sugar, and some raisins, and I put a little on top of each slice of puff pastry. I closed the envelopes by pressing it a little bit and sprinkled some sugar on top. But for now, I'm still slicing apples. Prepare the filling and keep a little sugar apart to sprinkle on top. Usually one side of the puff pastry is sticky, so use the sticky side as the inside. I baked it in the oven for 20 minutes on 220, and the result is so nice, you really have to taste it. Let me know in the comments if you have tried Appelflappen before. Thanks for watching and enjoy your pastry. Feel free to like this post, I appreciate it.